Quick unboxing because it's like gone midnight. I've finished work and I'm tired as heck. Quick unboxing of this. The Atari PONG Midjigger. PONG Mini. I don't buy mini consoles, but I saw a Pong and I thought I'd buy it because we like a bit of Pong. Right, keep it quick, short and sweet, because I might eat it later or something. I need one in one hand. Phone up. Yeah, the box is quite nice. It's got the wooden panel effect. I forgot one like a dirt. There you go. In the box you get some miscellaneous bits of plastic. Who cares? You get. It's hard with one hand. Put that there for now. You also get a coaster. Oh no, it's not. It's not a coaster, it's a book. How to use your Atari Pong machine. By Blaze. Oh dear. Which is in the yellow Pong colour. Oh. You see, straight away when I saw it, I thought, that's going to be a problem, innit? Because off the wall, these are like 2600 ROMs, I assume. Off the wall is a joystick game on the Atari. And you get the nice little machine itself, which is quite lovely, isn't it? It's quite nice looking. Got any batteries in it. And suggested pause. We return with power. Fortunately, this thing takes micro USB and batteries. Look. Yeah, these are definitely the Atari ROMs. What's that? One player. That is just crap. Why is the screen so bloody... It's like the smallest version of a smaller screen. What the hell? And these are not as smooth as what they should be. They're kind of clicky. That's that one. Reset. Ah, so you changed. Let's try the always classic. Yeah, these are the Atari ROMs. That's the Atari Mini. Seems very good. I'm going to bed because I'm tired. I'm not going to stay up all night playing Warlords. Tatty bye. Here we have the Atari Blaze Pong Mini. Quite an aesthetically pleasing looking device with wood paneling. Your volume switch on your headphones on the back. You want to hear the beepy beepy beeps yourself. That's a micro USB charging thingy. Well, not charging, because it's battery powered. All that does is power it. Now I'm going to mirror what a lot of people have said are the problems of this. And it's as follows. Problem number one is these. Your little twiddly bits. Like you're twiddling somebody's nipples. Except Android nipples, because digital. Compared to the Atari 2600 ones, which I have on hand, not digital. Proper job. So when you turn it on, mine's got little blemishes on the screen there for some reason. Focus on that. Turn it on and you pick the first game. And you know straight away what the hell. It is in fact running Atari ROMs. And it's running the Atari version of Pong, which as you can see does not quite fill the screen. What the hell? Also, when you're playing with these, it doesn't it's just not as smooth as playing with these. So reset. So there's your first game. There's your title match. Knackered, because you scroll down a bit and you get this version, Pong Video Olympics, which is a considerably better version of Pong than the one that is the main one. Look, this has got like it's got your basic stuff like Pong. I'll probably do a video review of this at some point. You get your football. What the hell is that? Rugby? Ice hockey. 4-player. Well, not 4-player. 2 sides. You got squash. Volleyball. Yes, that's volleyball. Basketball. And backseat pong. I mean, the game selection is. I can't really think of too many Pong games on the Atari, and even less I'd ever think of worth playing. I mean, Off the Wall is a joystick game. That doesn't belong on here. Canyon Bomber, I played against somebody, and he just basically said, "What am I doing here? How do I control the bombs? What do I do?" Yeah, because it's not very simple, is it? It's not even that fun on the Atari. And you got Warlords, which is a multiplayer classic, proper game. Start the game, and straight away I'll tell you one thing. One of the other major problems is look how many action buttons you get. You get 1. Oh dear. Because if you play, boop. So when you play Warlords, this is even harder to bloody see on this tiny screen. When you play Warlords, you need the serve button to hold the ball. Again, back to these. Button is, you get 2 on each thing. So if you're playing 2-player on this, you're screwed because one person's got the button, the other person hasn't. So overall, I just don't recommend. Don't buy this at full price. Wait for it to drop in price. I'll wait until you see if somebody can hack it so you can get like proper twisty knobs on this instead of this shit. Or just buy it if you want an attractive thing to put on your shelf, because it is actually aesthetically pleasing with the wood panelling. Like a bit of wood panelling. So yeah, buy it if it's cheap, or buy it if you're just one of those obsessive shelf collectors. Because yeah, it's Blaze again, isn't it? They always mess things up. Well, not always. Just mostly. Tatty bye.